I received another great question from one of my Instagram followers, Workroom Creations by Jamie. She has a new to her walking foot machine, and her question is, when do I use my walking foot machine for pillow making? And that is a great question. The walking foot machine is a workhorse. It also has a presser foot that has a very high lift. So when I am working on pillows and cushions that are heavyweight fabric, upholstery weight fabric, maybe even a drapery weight fabric where I'm adding a ruffle to the pillow and a decorative braid cord, then I need a high lift on the machine to get all of that fabric underneath. The other thing I love about the walking foot machine is the two-part foot helps to pull the fabric through at an even rate as what you've got on the bottom as well. So you don't have a lot of puckering on that bottom fabric. This is a piece of fabric that I have just recently quilted up, and it's going to be for cushion tops and bottoms. So I knew that this machine was going to be the answer. I do have a layer of padding that is an iron-on padding. So I've got that, but then I've also got the lining. And as I was quilting this and the fabric was feeding through, there was no puckering on the top or the bottom. So this machine was the ideal machine. When do I not use my walking foot machine? I don't use this machine if I'm sewing sheers, any lightweight drapery type fabric, or any fine fabrics. This machine is just too heavy duty to handle those. For those fabrics, I'll use my regular straight stitch machines. And here's a tip for you. And I learned this from someone along my sewing journey. The main foot that I keep on my walking foot machine is a cording foot. So it has a cutout for the cording. So I keep this on my machine all the time. So when I am sewing cording, I don't have to change my foot to work with the cording. It works well for just my straight stitching, but it's also helpful for when I do have cording. So Jamie, I hope this answer is what you're looking for, and I wish you much success with your new walking foot machine. Do you have any pillow making questions or struggles? Be sure and add those to the comment section below, and you may just find your answer in a future video. And remember, there's no judgment here. There's no such thing as a stupid question. They're all welcome. Follow me for helpful home sewing tips and techniques. And remember, sew with joy, create with confidence, and live inspired. Be well, everyone.